Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we keep delivering bangers for our subscribers. We had a new report for subscribers to kick off the new trading week that closed up 16% today. Also, our EV battery play from last week, we said attention, new EV battery stock on our radar, hit $3.25 today. It was just $2 when we profiled it last week. If you want these types of plays delivered to your inbox for free, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Again, we are a completely free service, no spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Well, guys, the big story of the day was Tupperware, TUP. It gapped higher at the open, opening at $1.17 and ran all the way to $1.82 in the first half hour. This is how I love to trade. It was pure momentum. Get in, get out, call it a day. The company did not issue any news or post any SEC filings. In April, Tupperware's board actively engaged with management to improve the company's capital structure and near-term liquidity. The company also engaged financial advisors to assist in securing supplemental financing and said it was in discussions with potential investors or financing partners. Tupperware is also reviewing its real estate portfolio for properties available for potential disposition or sale-leaseback transactions and is exploring right-sizing efforts, monetization of fixed assets, cash management, and marketing and channel optimization to preserve or deliver additional liquidity. If you are still long Tupperware, resistance is at 182, which is the day's high. $2 and then $3. Keep in mind that almost 23% of the float is short, so the shorts are feeling the pain. The stock is up 143% in just the past 2 days alone. BBIG had a big day, closed up 53% for the day. Just be careful with this name. Trade it, don't own it, no news. Electronomics had a tweet on it today. BBIG, LOMO is not working. ADR is killed. CEO is not talking. No filings at all. On non-compliant list. Courts are piled by cases against the board of directors. Exciting moves for new traders, but not for us trapped since fraud crime. What is going on to make these moves? It's sense. So again, a lot of comments here saying the same thing. Great for new traders, but many that the shareholder base has just been suffering. So again, trade it, don't own it. Next up, another big runner was BJDX, up 42% today. It was just an intraday pump and dump. If you didn't catch that move around 11:30, you lost money today. They pumped it within 20 minutes. Again, it's play the pump. If you get in with a lot of these plays, let me tell you, if the trade doesn't work out right away, if you start going, just take the loss and be done with it, because it's much better to take a small loss, reevaluate, regroup, or go on to the next play, than to take a big loss. You just don't want to become a bag holder. And today was a classic case, pump, dump, and if you stayed around too long, more than 20 minutes, you lost money. So again, name of the game, if you are trading, investing, rule number 1 is don't lose money. Rule number 2, look at rule number 1 again. KSCP up 35% today, got a nice bounce. What I don't understand, though, is they dropped the news at 9:35 a.m. Very weird time to drop. Not sure what they were thinking, because it is the pre-market scanners that gets markets excited. It could have ran a lot more today. Trendline resistance is at 225. Needs to break above there to really get going. The news today, it said the Nightscope reseller deploys security robot in San Diego apartment community. It says here the new client is one of the top multifamily housing owners, developers, and property managers in the U.S. The company has over 37 years in the multifamily sector, has acquired or developed 1,015 communities consisting of over 285,000 units and almost $40 billion in total project costs. Clients with such strong portfolios offer great expansion opportunities for Nightscope as the company continues to execute on its growth plan. So again, great PR. They're expanding. People are trying out their system, which is great news. But again, just the timing on the PR just didn't make any sense. Next up is AMC. I covered it in last night's video. The stock sold off hard at the open. Open at 584 and sold off right away. If I see red right away, I don't play it. I did not play AMC at all today. Traders then came in and bought the dip. It got as low as 487 before closing at 585, right where it opened. So you had a bullish hammer to close the day, but the stock is trading 530 in the after hours. We'll see what tomorrow brings for the AMC APEs. I wish them all good luck. Next up is APLD. Released earnings today. Came up in my pre-market scanner, but then I looked at the chart and there was just too much resistance overhead right here at $10. And then you got trendline resistance above 11. So this is why I didn't trade it. It ran right into that resistance. So again, FinViz is a great free resource for you guys. You can see where these trend lines are, where the resistance is, where support is. It's very, very important when it comes to trading small caps because they trade very, very technically. So again, it's mostly day traders, swing traders in these, and they're all looking at the same charts. So again, it'll really help you with your trading. Next up, guys, is NEO breaking out today. The company recently reported that closed on an equity investment of nearly $740 million from CYVN Investments. This is an investment group owned by the Abu Dhabi government. They now have a 7.7% stake in the company. So again, and also they're breaking out here. This was trend line resistance was right at 1130. Here's that trend line, broke through there, closed above there at 1173. So blue skies ahead. We can make a nice move higher. So let's see how the price action is for the rest of the week in NEO. Next up, guys, is BIG, Big Lots, up 6% on the day. I've been covering this one since $5, put in a pivot low here, doubled here to 10. So congrats, this has turned out to be a nice longer term swing. 26% of the float is short. You look at the trend line here, it is on the verge of a breakout. So again, we're just right here. It could go either way. A definitive close above $10 is what's needed for BIG to keep going. So again, a lot of gains over the past month and a half. So again, keep that in mind. If it doesn't get above 10, we're going to see profit taking and the stock will go lower. Next up is FNGR, finger motion. Nice recovery day today. I closed up almost 5%. There is an article on insiderfinancial.com by a guest contributor that is a must read for all of you that are trading finger motion. It's designed to debunk the FUD that has been spread on Seeking Alpha about this company. So if you are in FNGR, I highly recommend you go to insiderfinancial.com and read the article by Mike Long called Chinese AI Company Wading Through the FNGR FUD from Seeking Alpha. This is a must read for those of you in FNGR. And then other names on our watch list, we saw profit taking across the board. We don't buy red days in small caps. You want to buy red, go buy SPY or Tesla. Buying small cap red days is the fastest way to becoming a bag holder. For those of you in SOUN, you know what I'm talking about. This one keeps dropping and then boom, they hit you with an offering after hours. So again, you know, like I said, you want to buy long-term plays, go buy SPY or Tesla. And what we do here at insiderfinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized move. As I say repeatedly, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The key is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. And guys, trade green, not red. We are looking for the momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. Tomorrow we get earnings from Microsoft and Google. That will affect the overall markets. In terms of small caps, I am adding YOSH to my watch list. No one knows why it's pumping. Let's see how the price action is tomorrow. See if a trade develops or not. You know, again, it's all about trading your setups, looking for that momentum. And, you know, guys, you know, I've been doing this a long time. The best trades are the ones that work out right away, that never go against you. When they start going against you and you know, start pulling back, you know, it could go either way. I just get out, take my small loss, move on to the next play. There's always another play, guys. So don't fall in love with any of these small caps. But guys, I am also doing a lot of research looking for another winner like the last two for our subscribers. We had one 60% runner from last week and a 16% gainer today for subscribers. We will keep our subscribers updated on these plays. And again, guys, to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium plays. Click that link in the description. Go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by seller hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck tomorrow. Bye-bye.